Hi friends, I'm Jessica Senesac, the writer of When I'm Feeling Red. Today I'm going to read my book for you, and then we're going to have a nice fun discussion about what to do with our red feelings after I'm done reading the book. Enjoy! When I'm Feeling Red, Jessica Senesac Kate Crop. Published by Tabletop Teaching LLC, created by Jessica Senesac. When I'm Feeling Red, written by Jessica Senesac, illustrated by Kate Crop. For a child who needs help finding the words to express themselves, thank you for being an inspiration.
Sometimes when I'm feeling red and about to lose my head, I need 3 big, deep breaths. Maybe even more so I can stop feeling sore. Other times when I'm feeling red and about to lose my head, I really need to scream and yell and stomp my feet. Roar! In my room before my feelings start to zoom. Sometimes when I'm feeling red and about to lose my head, I really need to go for a run in the nice warm sun. Other times when I'm feeling red and about to lose my head, I really need someone to hear how I'm feeling. Before I start to go off reeling, I've had it up to here. Nothing is going right today. Sometimes when I'm feeling red and about to lose my head, I really need a great big hug. Before I act like a big rude bug, hey. Other times when I'm feeling red and about to lose my head, I really need to hear something nice. Maybe even twice.
Great job! You're wonderful.
Now that I have exactly what I need, I don't feel like I'm going to scream. I can choose to have a better day and let my red feelings go away. So when you're feeling red and about to lose your head, remember what I said. What will make you feel yellow? Like a very happy fellow. The end. Being red makes me tired.
Okay guys, what are good things to do when you're feeling angry or mad? Great job. What helps you feel better when you're feeling red? Me too. What can you do when you see someone else feeling red? That's exactly what I was thinking too. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Thanks for watching.